recipes start with Odlums, proud sponsors of Catherine Layden on Ireland AM.
Now, are you looking for that perfect dessert to make at home? Well, our queen of baking, Catherine Layden, is in the kitchen this morning. Good morning to you, Catherine.
Good morning there.
So, rhubarb crumble, not
yep.
a tart or a pie, a crumble.
No, just a basic crumble. No worries about pastry, nothing. Just your crumble and just huge rhubarb.
And
now,
the perfect time of the year to do this
absolutely,
as well.
There's tons of rhubarb around at the moment. Now, a tip. Now, I have some of the rhubarb in there already cut, but the number of people I've seen, you take the top and bottom off your rhubarb, you clean it, right? But the number of people, you need 6 stalks for this. And I've seen people the whole time taking 1 stalk at a time. You pile the whole 3 or 4 together and chop them.
And just cut them,
quite rough. Like, what's that, an inch or so?
Yeah.
Each one?
Because it's going to be stewed. It's going to end up like that there, Tommy.
Oh, OK.
So then you put it into a low heat. And as I say, I have some of them in there. Now, at home, I'd leave it under a very low heat for about 40 minutes. And I don't add water. But if you're cooking it a bit quicker, or you're doing it in the microwave, which you can do for about 7 minutes, I would...
Oh, just throw them all into a microwave?
Yeah.
And it just all goes right down like that?
But in about 4 minutes.
But even that, so you don't put any water into that?
No, you don't have to if you do it at a very low heat. But if you're cooking, you want it in a hurry, add about 2 tablespoons of water.
And it turns real liquidy itself?
Correct.
But everybody has a microwave now, so it's not easier just to... Or would you prefer to do it in the pot?
You don't want the microwave, like all the zapping and stuff.
I do it in the saucepan.
Yeah, saucepan's better.
Now, I put in 2 tablespoonfuls of golden castor sugar. You can use regular sugar as well. And another tip for people who are trying to watch their diet, as I am myself at the moment, you can replace sugar with these xylitols or stevia.
Oh, right, OK. So
and
just the sweeteners kind of thing?
They're sweeteners, yeah. But you don't get an aftertaste or anything from them. So you're cutting way back on the sugar if you want by using that.
And would you use the same amount?
Equal amounts, yes, equal amounts.
Okay.
Now, on to make the crumble. Into the bowl we put 175 grams, 6 ounces of our cream plain flour, 125 grams, 4 ounces of demerara sugar, 125 grams, 4 ounces of oat flakes. Now, you combine those ingredients together. Now, if you don't like the oats, give a nice nuttiness to the crumble. If you like, you can replace the 125 grams or 4 ounces of oats with 125 grams, 4 ounces of flour. So you're just a flour, sugar and butter. Do you follow?
Then it's not a crumble, is it?
It is a crumble. It will be a crumble, but it won't be the nuttiness of the oats in it. And it won't be quite as healthy. So you can. Now, to that we're going to add 125 grams, 4 ounces of butter. So it's actually
question
equal
the queen
quantities.
of baking, Alan. You're not convinced, are you not?
No, I'm sorry, no. But like a crumble is the crumbly bit on the top.
That's right, yeah.
But is the oats not causing that crumble, no?
No. It's the sugar, the flour, and the butter is what causes it. And a lot of people wonder why they don't get a crunchy top on their crumble. That's because they haven't added enough dry ingredients. OK?
There you go now.
So just put your fingers into that and rub it away until you have a crumble-like mixture. Now, rhubarb, ginger goes very well with rhubarb.
Ginger?
Now, I haven't put it in the one we're taking out of the oven now because I thought you mightn't like it.
See
the way I
you know me.
Put some ginger.
You know me so well,
Catherine. I know you well.
He sounds a bit cranky here this morning.
Taking about 2 teaspoonsfuls of ginger. Ginger and rhubarb are gorgeous together.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Lovely.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. My favourite.
Now, you just mix the ginger with the rhubarb. You see, already the rhubarb that was sitting at the bottom has gone nice and soft.
So 40 minutes.
Amazing.
Now, that's on the low heat. Microwave, 5 minutes will do it, or even less, on high flour, out speed.
So it comes out like this.
Out like this, into your bowl, and you shake your crumble on top.
When would you put it into the mixture with the microwave? So you'd kind of take it out of the microwave, then put the sugar, and then put the ginger in? Or do you put that in?
No, put them all in first, like I'm doing there.
Start.
All in at the very start, yeah.
Now, Catherine.
Yes.
What you have in that bowl has turned into that.
Correct. I just spent a bit longer at it and you end up with this here. Now, what I have to say, now, I see you're seeing double or treble the amount here because, another small tip, when I'm making crumble, I always double or treble the recipe. I put it into a food bag and keep it in the fridge. So if you go out to the garden...
bubbling?
You can smell the ginger.
Oh, right, it's got
the pot.
High heat now, is it?
See?
Yeah.
Just softening up there because I have it on a higher heat, but at home, as I say, on a low heat, excuse me, you wouldn't have to do that at all. You sit it there and it goes to this here. Now, as I say, I've trebled the amount, so I put that, I'm going to shake some in now on top. and you put it into a preheated oven, 190, 375 gas mark 5, for about 20 minutes, OK?
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
I suppose, because the rhubarb
The rhubarb's
is
cooked, exactly. So you just want to crumble up the crumble.
Yeah.
Now we're going to take out the one we made earlier and do put it in upper shelf position, because whether you're using a conventional oven with top element and bottom element or a fan oven, you want a nice crusty top on it.
OK.
OK? Now we have one in this oven here because, ooh, look at this, it's all done.
Look at that.
Oh,
Watch your
careful.
fingers.
The nails again in action.
There we go.
Look at this. Hello.
Catherine,
Hello.
your fingers burnt off.
Not at all, they're perfect. Now, custard or cream?
Custard.
Custard, please.
Custard, yes.
It's amazing how popular the old custard is, isn't it?
And I said it, the last time I think I had custard was with you here.
Oh, something I was doing here. I love
Yeah.
custard. Now, you could
You
also...
never make custard at home for yourself. But
No,
you
but
might
another
for the
thing you could
family.
do...
No, I don't, but I do love a bit of custard, all right.
Another thing you could do with it is ice cream.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You know,
No, but I think of all that now, cream or ice cream, the bit of custard would
can't
be my
beat it.
favourite.
Yep.
Look at that.
Now, boys,
Thank you very much.
we're going to put the custard in. Wait to put the custard
Custard
down.
on.
Now, I haven't got the custard too hot so that it might cool down your...
OK, there you go, Tommy. Lovely. Now, is there an
Serve,
L
yeah.
spoon there? Oh, wooden spoons.
Lovely.
There we go.
Look at
Wooden
this.
spoons.
OK.
I'm forever losing
Catherine
the
Leyden,
spoons.
rhubarb crumble.
Rhubarb crumble couldn't be easier.
I always go home and my mum always has rhubarb crumble.
That she makes. It's an old family recipe, isn't it?
Mum, she makes the best rhubarb crumble from the local centre.
Oh, stop that. Poor mum. You're very
Catherine
good.
Leyden,
It's
thank
an
you,
old
as
family
always.
bow
My
recipe.
pleasure.
Thank you,
It's
Catherine. Always a
absolutely
pleasure.
delicious. Thank you.
Great recipes start with Odlums, proud sponsors of Catherine Leyden on Ireland AM.